Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Oukitel OKT1 tablet, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to open up the Settings app. Here, locate the Apps and Notifications category, go for the expand the Advanced section, then choose the default apps. Here, choose Browser app, and select Opera by simply tapping on it, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser for this device. The second way to do that is being executed directly from the browser, so let's go ahead and open it. Here, tap on your avatar, gear setting, gear icon that stands for settings, and scroll until you stumble upon the default browser category. Then click on next. Select Opera and choose to set it as default, and that will also mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.